YouTube, it's your boy JR, the one, the only one. Got an unboxing here. I got some heat. Got some heat. It's crazy. The story behind this is so crazy, bro. But I ain't gonna talk too much right now. We're gonna get the unboxing going. Let's get this going, man. You know, I can't show y'all the address or nothing, but it's not from Nike. It's from Foot Locker. It's some joints that came out recently, Saturday. You know what I'm saying? These joints fire. A lot of people saying these that's a female colorway, but in my opinion, I've been wearing these. Kept an eye on these for like 2 months. Oh shoot! Snap! There we go. There we go. Let me snapping it. Ooh! I see. If you see the box, you might know what it is. You might know what it is. Right over there. Don't need that no more. 350 Yeezy boots right here. You know what I'm saying? Size 11.5. It's the linen Yeezys. I ain't want to say too much, but the linen Yeezys. If you don't know, they came out Saturday at 7 o'clock. So, story behind this is, I woke up, I say like 5:36, preparing myself, like I'm gonna get these Yeezys. I swear Yeezys is one of the hardest shoes to get. One of the hardest shoes to get. And then Jordan 1s, but I'll make another video about that, how to get Yeezys or Jordan 1s, whatever. Comment down below what videos I should make, or suggestions, or whatever. So I woke up at 5:36 to get these. Now, mind you, the shoes come out at 7. I'm preparing myself for credit card information and everything and all other stuff, but next thing you know, 6:55 hit. The website, the app started acting funny. I'm on Foot Locker site. I'm on the Foot Action, Champs and Finish Line. None of these sites working. So I kept refreshing.
Wow!
I'm sitting like, I'm gonna get these. I'm being kind of like, I'm gonna get these decks. I'm gonna get them. So next thing you know, 7:35 hit. 11.5 hit in the car. I said, oh! So I clicked it real fast, real fast. I was like, let me get them. Literally, you got 5 minutes to put all your information in. So I had to put my information and sign in back to the account. That take about 4 minutes. I had like 30 seconds left before I even bought it out. And I bought them. And now they're here. Get this unboxing going. Uh-oh. Ooh.
Damn!
It's crazy. My first pair of Yeezys in my collection.
What?
Definitely look better for sure, man. I'm not even disappointed in these at all, man. These fire. Definitely get a little peanut butter look to it, but what caught my eye with these was just yellow. It's not even like a yellow, it's like a mustard yellow a little bit with that little speck of a little blue on there. This is something different. Nice little summer, spring shit pop out with these. Definitely, I like these a lot, man. So 11.5 linen Yeezy 350 boost. Honest opinion, where I rate this, I get about a 8.59 out of 10. Not bad at all. I like these a lot, man. I'm definitely gonna cop these, man. It's definitely nasty. Definitely got. I got these. Like them a lot. Throw it over there. The linen 350 boost. Yeah, man, these joints hard. So about to do it on foot. Let me see the comfortability. Good. I heard it was real good. It's my first pair. So I'm gonna see if it's really good or not. I rate them at 8.5. So it might change. It might go down, might go up. So really gonna see what's really going on with them. But yeah, it's time to do it on foot, aka showtime. And we're gonna get this popping. So be right back. things went up a 0.5. A 0.5. You know what? I give it a 9.5. They're super comfortable. And when the sun hit on these, ooh-wee, it's something different. It just, I think it's that blues make it just pop even more. And then reflect. You know, the reflective, it usually costs more than just a normal, you know what I'm saying? Normal line, because normally when you take the picture, it reflect, certain Yeezys reflect, certain ones don't, like non-reflective I should say. So this one is reflective and it costs more than nothing, because usually the reflective ones cost what, $200 more, or yeah, $150 or something like that. I don't know exact price on the top of my head, but yeah, definitely a 9.5. Yeah, man, that is it for this review. Definitely a must cop in my opinion. If not, y'all missing out for sure. Y'all tripping, these fire. Shout out to Foot Locker, man, because boy, trying on that out for the longest. It was going crazy. I was on foot action, channels finish line. Man, it was crazy. Finish line took too long. I closed that out too quick because they said to my waiting in line. Ain't no waiting no line. Yeezys be gone, bro. Flying. But yeah, definitely go copy these, man. Definitely I must copy in my opinion. But like and subscribe for this video. Put your post notifications on for me. Ain't gonna hurt to put them on at all. Just go ahead. Just turn them on for me. I just appreciate that. And comment down below, man, if you got them DMP6s as well, because they came out the same day as these, but came out at 10 o'clock. They're released at 10 o'clock. These are released at 7 o'clock. So definitely comment, let me know if you got those. And let me know, man, if you think about getting some more of these Yeezys, or down if you really like these a lot. So yeah, just let me know, man. I'm up out of here. Peace.